Hi everyone. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well, everyone. Audio, both are clear, all of you. Somebody just confirm it, everyone. Audio and video both are clear, everyone. Somebody. Right. So we'll be continuing our discussions on this. Which one? GATE PYQs of what? So we are discussing this GATE PYQs of this General Aptitude. So which topic we have started yesterday? That numbers only we have started now. Yes, Deepak, good morning. How are you? Yeah, after a long time you are live. Deepak Kumar Pandey, 36. What is that 36? What is that number 36? Okay. So PYQs of which one? GATE PYQs of this general or quantitative aptitude we are having, all of you. So we're just gonna do this, everyone. Right. All of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone ready to crack? Yes, Tayana, good morning. Ready to crack, guys? Everyone? Get ready to crack, all of you. Right. So if you are not following my profile, class roll number. Okay, very good. Right, 36 roll number wala. Right. So if you are not following my profile on Unacademy, you just follow my profile here, or you can just scan this QR code and you can follow my profile in Unacademy, you can say, na? And at present this wonderful offer is going on, that up to 52% off you will be getting on which one? A plus and iconic subscription, all of you. So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. Use this referral code RP Civil and subscribe to this plus and iconic courses, everyone, right? Now so this no cost EMI option is also available, right? Those who are unable to pay the entire fee at a time, Unacademy is giving which one? This no cost EMI option also, all of you. So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. So this is the new batch on November 24th. It will be starting, right? What is the batch? You can say this is your Udan batch will be starting, if you just observe, right? So Vivek sir and NVLK sir will be starting this batch with their subjects. So these are the user specific programs for this batch, you can say, if you just observe, right? Okay, all of you. So crack GATE, right? It was a crash course batch which was started on this October 14th and will be starting which one? This transportation crash course will be completing today, and from which one? This 19th November onwards will be starting this surveying, all of you, right? So this is your compete, you can say, everyone. Are you all participating in this compete? So if not, you just participate in this compete. You can give challenge to others and you can take the challenge and everything, right? So this Unacademy light subscription, right? What is that, a light subscription? It is just the test series subscription, you can say, for all these one. So at this present time, test series is how much important, you know? So at 499 rupees, you will be getting this test series, all of you, right? So this Unacademy light subscription for this GATE and ESE, right? If you are willing to take it for 1 month or 24 months, 1 year or 2 years, this is a price, you can say, right? So only one session is done yesterday, Deepak. Just only one session is done, right? Fighting with each other. Yes, Tayana, correct, right? Yesterday only one session done. Sorry, day before yesterday one session was done. 5 questions we are done, and today we'll be doing some other questions. Okay, right? So these are the steps to be followed for getting which one? This physical notes. You can set to your doorstep, everyone, right? So these are all which one, if you just observe, features of this plus and iconic, right? Whichever is suitable for you, try to select it based on this, if you just observe, right? So you know these are all the subjects I'm taking. So this GATE PYQ series of this general aptitude, all branches, right? I'll be covering all branches questions, right? Not only civil, mechanical, electrical, computer science, all branches questions I'll be covering, all of you. So the classes will be there on which one? This Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, these classes will be there from 9 a.m. to which one? This 9:30 or 9:40 a.m. And alternate days, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, you will be having which one? Special classes, right? These are your special classes, Unacademy classes. GATE PYQ series you will be having, right? Yes, no? Yeah. Okay, you can try because this aptitude is very important, na? You cannot miss it, right? So this number systems only we are doing first, right? This first chapter only we are doing still, okay? Number systems only, right? So these are all the weightages we have discussed in yesterday's class. I have shared the PDF in which one? I have shared the PDF in which one? The community also, if you just observe. Up to these 5 questions we have done yesterday. And today what is that? Lecture 2, GATE PYQs. up to 2014 questions we are done, right? 2010 to 2014 questions we are done in the 16th class, and 2015 to which one, this we'll see how many are possible, right? 2015 to mostly 2017 or 18 we'll be doing if you just observe, right? Okay, from this number systems, right? So today 18th November class, right? This number system chapter. So all of you, so I'll be starting the poll of you. Try to select the correct answer. 2 minutes time I am giving. So I'm starting this timer. So within this timer, you try to select this answer, everyone. No, Paul, you have to write your option there, right? Tayana, I have just started the timer. Na? Timer is visible on the screen, right? Timer is visible on the screen. Na? You just have to start within that time given and you write your option in the live chat. Okay, write the question number 6 and write your option. Okay, poll will not come here now. It is not possible to get the poll in YouTube channel, YouTube class, right? Yes, na? Option D you are getting? No, no, no. Directly if you are doing that, option D will come. Okay, let it be. We'll check it, right? What it will come. If you just observe it, don't worry. No need to worry about it. We'll just check it. Okay. We'll check it, Deepak. So this is your which question, you can say if you just observe which examination it was given, right? This question was given in which examination, all of you? So this question was given in this 2014 computer science. It is given for 2 marks, set 8, set 2, you can say, right? Just subtracted. Yes, that only you will do, I know. So what is that you will be doing here is, if you just observe, right? Consider the equation 7526 to the base 8 minus y to the base 8 is equal to that 4368 to the base 8, where x to the base n is what? X to the base n, and find this y value, right? You are asked to find out this y value, right? Inside value you are asked to find if you just observe, right? So now what is that you are getting if you just say, everyone? So that is 7526, right? So 7526 to the base 8. So minus y to the base 8, right? Some number to the base 8, na? It is equal to which one? This what is that? 4364 to the base 8 we are having, right? 4364 to the base 8, right? So this implies, right, what is that y to the base 8 if you just observe? Y to the base 8 is nothing but your which one? So 7526 to the base 8, 7526 to the base 8 minus which one? This is 4364 to the base 8, right? 4364 to the base 8, right? So what is that it comes to be if you just observe? Yeah. So do you remember this, everyone? Yesterday we have solved this base 8 questions. Anybody got idea? What is the base 8 questions we have solved yesterday? Anybody? Those who attended yesterday's class, do you have any idea, all of you? So this is your base 8 questions if you just observe. Somewhere we have done this base 8 question to the base 8 if you just observe, right? What are this to the base 8, right? This one. So 137 plus this 276, is it equal to that 435 or it is not equal to that 435? It is not equal to 435, na? If you just observe 200, 300, 370, 400 and 413, but here it is 435 given, right? 435 given, right? How we have solved this? How we have solved this, right? We have identified that it is to the base 8, na? So no, it is to the base 8, right? This addition is of this base 8, you can say, right? How can you solve this, everyone? First you need to consider this units digits, sum of this units digits, and we have to calculate the remainder of this unit digit divided by base 8. sum of this tens digit, and we have to calculate the remainder of that summation by this divided by this 8, right? Sum of this hundreds, sum of this thousands also, if we just observe thousands also, right? Isn't it? Like that we have to do it, right? Here also if we just observe what is that we are doing here, you can say everyone, to the base 8 means what? So 7526 to the base 8 minus which one? This is 4364 to the base 8 na? Yes or no? So what is it you are getting if you just observe 7526 minus this 4326, right? It is equal to how much we have to find out, right? To the base 8, right? First what we need to do, units digit. If you just observe what is that units digit, everyone? Same units digit summation we have to calculate. What is the units digit summation, everyone? 6 plus 6 is equal to that 12 na? 12 is the units digit summation or not, everyone? 12 is the units digit summation. So what is it you are having if you just observe divided by this 8, right? What is that? A remainder, right? So a remainder of this 12 when you are divided by 8, right? What is that it comes to be, everyone? What is that it comes to be, all of you? Whenever you are calculating this, if you just observe what is that you will be getting, everyone? Somebody tell me. So summation we have to go for our summation we have to go for our, this is subtraction we have to go for, if you just observe everyone. Summation we have to go for our, this is subtraction we have to go for, if you just observe everyone. That is subtraction we have to go for now. So whenever you are going for this subtraction, right? So whenever you are going for this subtraction, right, what is that you are having if you just observe? So whenever you are going for this subtraction, right, how can you get this subtraction, everyone? So there previously it was a summation, na? Everyone, previously if you just observe this one, it was a summation, you can say. It was a summation, you can say. So whenever it was a summation, what we are doing, we are just adding the units digits, right? So suppose if it is, right, suppose if it is a subtraction, right, what we need to do? We have to subtract these units digits only, no? Yes or no? If at all there is a subtraction, you have to subtract it, na? Yes or no? You have to subtract it, right? You have to subtract it, right? Whenever you are subtracting it, right, what is that you will be getting? Whenever you are subtracting it, right? Okay, 4364 you are getting, na? 4364. Okay, if you just observe, right? Sir, the division of subtraction of these two values, right? 7526 minus this 4364. 4364, sorry, it is 4364, na? Sorry, one sec, I have written wrongly. 4364, one sec, is also wrong, na? Yeah, one sec, 4364, right? What is that? Units digit, if you just subtract each other, right? Whenever you are subtracting the units digit one from each other, what will happen? 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, na? What is that? A remainder of this 2 by 8 you are getting. Remainder of this 2 by 8 is how much, everyone? Remainder of this 2 by 8 is your 2, na? So this should be there in the units digit, right? So what is that final number, you can say? That final number must be having this as the units digit, right? 4 digits will be there, na? So this will be there in the units digit, right? 2 will be there in the units digit. How many options are there with 2 in the units digit? Option D is there and option C is there. So option A and option B we can eliminate it if you just observe, right? So similarly, so what is that you are having? 10th digit, if you just observe. Whenever it is your 10th digit, so here it is 0, na? So whenever it is a 10th digit, if you just observe, what are the numbers in the 10th digit you are having? In the 10th digit, this is 2 is there, this is 6 is there, na? So what is that you are having? That 2 minus 6 will be how much equal to, you can say? 2 minus 6 will be equal to how much, you can say? That is your minus 4, na? Now remainder of this minus 4 by this 8, right? What is that? A remainder of this minus 4 by this 8, everyone? Remainder of this minus 4 by this 8, if you just observe. So that number, it does not matter, right? Minus or plus 4, right? You just take it as which one? This 4, right? You just take it as which one? This mod 4 only, right? Mod 4 only you take it, right? Whenever you are taking this mod 4, right? What is that? So here it is a 0, na? So minus 0 you are having, that you are subtracting that 0 here, right? So what is that, you can say? It is 4, na? So next in the units 10th digit, what it will come? 10th digit, it will come to be 4, you can say, right? 10th digit, whatever the remainder is, that remainder comes to be, if you just observe, right? That remainder will be 4. So second one is 4, right? Which option is there? Option C is only there now. Option C is only there. You can see if you just observe, right? So this is 0, 4 now. Now what is that hundredth digit? If you just observe hundredth digit, what is that hundredth digit? 5 is there and 3 is there now. So what is that? You can say 5 minus 3 will be equal to 2 if you just observe, right? What is that? A remainder of this 2 by this 8? It is 2 only, no? It is 2 only or not? So it is 2 only or not, everyone? It is 2 or 1? It is 2 if you just observe, it is 2 if you just observe. But is it okay to select this 2, everyone? Is it okay to select this 2 if you just observe, all of you? Is it okay to select this 2? So this is previous one minus you are having, right? Minus you are having, right? What is it? Minus you are having if you just observe. 4 means, right? What is it? Minus 4, right? Remainder of this 2 will be 2 only. But what about this minus we have to do if you just observe? What about that we have to observe if you just observe, everyone? So that is your minus 4 is there in the previous one, right? Minus 4 is there in the previous one, right? How can you get that? That is what I'm asking. Minus 4 is there, right? How can you do that? Here if you just observe na, that third digits, whenever you are going for this hundredths digit na, here in this question, what is that we are doing? Whenever you are going for this hundredths digit, right? What is that you are considering? Just 1 0 10 summation comes na, and the remainder of this 10 0 2 we are taking. But here in the next one, what is that we are doing? This first digit we will be adding na. So this first digit will be adding here if you just observe, right? This first digit will be adding here, you can say, right? And here same. So this is 14, it comes to be, means this first digit we are adding in the thousands, right? Here it is units digit summation 03 comes now in the tens digit. Finally what is that we are doing? We are just adding this 0 here, right? Here similarly also, right, what we need to do if we just observe? Here similarly also, right, what we need to do, everyone? Similarly also, right, what we need to do, all of you, everyone, if you just observe? If you just observe what we need to do, everyone, all of you, how to do this? That minus 0 will be there at that place now. So no, minus 0 will be there at that place now. So that minus 0, how can you do it if you just observe? That minus 0, how can you do it if you just observe, everyone? Add 0. Okay, whenever you are subtracting that 0, right? Subtracting that 0 or adding that 0 means, right? So yes, right, adding that 0 means, right, what is the meaning of this 0? You can say here, whenever you are adding that 0, it will become which one? It will become which one? What about all of you? So we have to, so minus previously we have got means, right? Previously we have got minus means, right? What is that we have to do? So this term 5 minus 3 we have to take it, or 5 plus 3 we have to take it if you just observe. Instead of subtracting, what we need to do here is we have to go for which one? This plus, right? Instead of this subtract sign, whenever that previous one subtraction comes down, instead of this plus, what we have to go for? We have to, instead of minus, we have to go for this plus, right? So when just before previous one is minus now, so that is why we are going for which one? This plus, you can say, right? So whenever you are going for this minus 0 as it is, right? So what it will become? 9 na? So 9. So remainder of this 9 by 8, what is that remainder of this 9 by 8, everyone? Remainder of this 9 by 8 is 1 na, if you just observe. Remainder of this 9 by 8, right? 9 by 8 remainder is 1 only na. So that is why it comes to be 1, right? So now you understand, everyone. So whenever the previous one comes to be this opposite sign as that of normal calculation, next calculation we have to do it in the reverse manner na. Summation will become which one? Yeah, yes, if minus comes, then only that instead of subtraction we have to go for which one? This addition, right? You have to be careful. Suppose if a plus comes here na, if a plus comes here na, that minus as it is will be doing 5 minus 3 only will be doing, because that minus 4 comes in the previous one. We are doing like this if you just observe, right? Is that clear, everyone, now why we are doing it like this? Thousandth digit, right? What is the thousandth digit if you just observe? This is your 7, this is your 4 na. So 7 minus 4 is equal to which one? This is 3, right? Very important step you have to remember, okay? So what is that? A remainder of this 3 by this 8. Remainder of this 3 by this 8 is 3 only, no? Remainder of this 3 by this 8 is 3 only, no, here it is 0, 3 if you just have, right? So what is that a 10,000th digit, any 10,000th digit you are having? So here 10,000 digit is 0, here it is 0, minus what is that 0 here. So what is that 0 only, right? Remainder of this 0 by this 8 is how much you can say? It is 0 only, no? So before this it will be 0, right? 0, 3, 4, 1, 2, right? So 3, 4, 1, 2 is there any option available? 3, 4, 1, 2 option C is available, right? Is that clear everyone now? How this question to be solved? Why it is not 3162? Why it is 3142? Is that clear everyone? So in a gate level examination, just a simple subtraction they will give all of you. Is it so? No, no. Right. So I'll be starting the poll all of you. Try to select the answer for this. 1 minute time I am giving for this question. Question number 7, everyone. It is simple question only. 2016 ME it is given. It's not. So 2016 mechanical engineering. This question is given if you just observe. Okay. Solve this everyone. Tayana said yeah. Any other answer brothers? Write the question number and answer so that what will happen there will not be any confusion. Deepak also said yeah. Yeah, we'll see that, right? What is that you can say? This is a chota bacha wala question only. You can say given that a 9 inches under root 9 inches equal to which one? This under root 0.25, which one? This yards, right? If you are squaring on both sides, right, what is that you can say? Which of the following statement is true, right? Square on both sides, right? So 9 inch, right? Under root 9 inch will be equal to under root which one? This is 0.25 yards now. So 0.25 yards if you just observe, right? So whenever you are square on both sides, right? Whenever you are square on both sides, 9 inch will be equal to which one? This is 0.25 yard na. 9 inch will be equal to the 0.25 yard if you just observe, right? So which option is correct? Which option is correct if you just observe? 9 inches will be equal to the 0.25 yards means, right? Which option is correct? Option A is correct or option C is correct, everyone? Option A is correct or option C is correct, all of you? Option A or option C, all of you? Option C will be correct, you can say, right? It is not that option A, right? It is easy question only, but you answered wrongly. Okay, so shall I move on to the next question, everyone? Shall I move to the next question of you? Right, I'll be starting the poll for this. Sorry, I'll be starting the timer, not poll. Timer I will be starting for this. 2 minutes time I am giving just to solve this, everyone. All of you. What is that answer? Anyone? 3. Okay, you have to be careful. You observe it. Tayana, question number 8, answer 7. Anybody else? Any other answer? Right. Here, if you just observe it, what is that you are having? Units, numeral in the units position of this one, right? 2016 triple E it is given, right? So triple E, right? Electrical and electronics engineering, right? 211 power 870, right? What is that units digit of which one? This units digit of 211 power which one? This 870, right? Whatever it is the power you are having, whenever number units digit is here for this 211, it is 1 is there, means 1 power anything it will become this 1 only now. 1 power anything will become 1 only now. So now units digit of which one? This 146 power, how much you can say? 146 power this 127, right? 146 power this 127, right? How much it comes to be if you just observe anyone? What is that units digit of this one? The units digit of this one is your 6, you can say, right? Units digit of this is 6, right? Because whenever number is having the units digit as 6, right? What is that powers of 6 if you just observe? 6 power 1 is what? 6. 6 power 2 is what? 36. And 6 power 3 is what? How much it is? 6 power 3 is what? 6 power 6 is how? 6 power 3 is how much, everyone? 6 cube, right? What is that 6 cube, everyone? 6 cube will be equal to which one? This is 216, right? 216 and 6 power. So 6 to the any power, if you just update 1, 2, 3, 6 to the any power, you will be getting the units digit as 6 only, no? 6 to the any power, you will be getting the units digit as 6 only, no, or not? All of you. Whenever for the given number, units digit is 6, then power any power it will be giving the 6 only, no? Power any power it will be giving the 6 only, right? And 3 power, right? What is that you can say? Units digit of this 3 power, what is that you can say? 424, right? 3 power 424, right? So like that you have to go for, right? So if you just consider this 3 powers now, so what is that? 3 power 1 is equal to which one? This 3. 3 power 2 is equal to which one? This 9. 3 power 3 is equal to which one? This 727, right? So this is 7 is important for us, right? 3 power 4 is equal to how much, everyone? 3 power 4 is what? 1. It's not 1, right? And 3 power 5 is what, right? What is the 3 power 5 you are getting? 3 power 5 is how much you can say? 243, right? 243. And so 3 will come, right? So 3 power 6, what is that you can say? So what is that 3 power 6, everyone? 3 power 6 comes to be this, sorry. What is that 3 power 6 comes to be, right? 3 power 6 comes to be this is 729, right? So like that if you just observe now, right? Like that if you just observe now. So what is that you are having? So 3971, 3971 it will come to be, right? So for one cycle it will come 3971, right? 3971 for the first cycle, 1 2 3 4 power 1 2 3 4 power 5 6 7 8 again 3971. So 3 power 7 and 3 power 8 like that, right? So for every 4 digits, this is for every 4 powers it is changing now. So tell me for this how many cycles? 424 divided by this 4 is equal to how many cycles you can say? How many cycles you can say? So 4 powers is 1 cycle, right? 4 powers together it is your 1 cycle, you can say. For 1 cycle that 3971 is repeating, right? So what is that 4 cycles? 424 by this 4 means how many cycles you are getting? 424 by this 4 means, right? What is that? Exactly that 106 cycles end na. So 106 cycles end is nothing but your 106th cycle, 4th term it has to come na. 106th cycles 4th term it has to come or not? So what is that 4th term? For every cycle, what is that 4th term? It is 1 only na. So it is 1 only or not? For every cycle 4th term is equal to that 1 only, right? So then is it clear, everyone? Now is it clear of you? Then what is that units digit of this one? If you just observe the units digit of what? Units digit of this 211 power this 8070 plus, right, plus has come, plus 146 power this 127 into 3 power 424, right? So you have to do the same operation for this units digit now. 1 plus what is that, you can say 6 into 1, right? What is that? 1 plus 6 into 1, 7 comes to be, right? So 7 is present in the units digit of this one or not? Yes, 7 is present in the units digit of that, you can say, just right? Is it clear, everyone? Now I'll be moving on to this, right? Ninth question, solve this answer, everyone. Ninth question, I am starting the timer, all of you. Start this answer. Solve this answer, everyone. Correct only, correct only. Yes, clear, everyone? Actually, this will take more time. Okay, 2 minutes. And after that also again I will give 2 more minutes, so that 4 minutes time. Or 1 more minute I will give after this, right? After this is over, I'll give 1 more minute, you can say, okay? Write the answer, write the answer. 60th ayana? Okay. Any other answer by others? This is a 2016 computer science 2 marks question. Okay, I'll increase which one, this time again. So 1 more minute I'll try to give, right? Do it again. 1 more minute I'll try to give, because it will take some more time. CSC wala questions are difficult. Yeah. Yes, CSC wala questions are little difficult, absolutely. Right. But other questions are easy only, na? Yes, Tayana, correct only, na? Okay, don't worry, we'll solve it, right? In a process, the number of cycles to failure decreases exponentially, right? How it is decreasing, if you just observe, it is decreasing in a manner exponential manner, it is decreasing now with an increase in load, right? As the load increases, what will happen? That is cycle. As the load increases, what will happen? This failure, number of cycles to failure will be decreasing, right? So what will happen automatically? As the load increases, it is easy to fail or it is difficult to fail that process. It is easy to fail that process now. As the load value increases, so we can make that to fail easily even for lesser number of cycles also, right? At a load of this 80 units, it will take 100 cycles for failure. When the load is halved, it takes which one? This is 10,000 cycles for failure, right? 10,000 cycles for failure, right? So the load for which the failure will happen in 5,000 cycles, right? So you have to identify this load if you just have, right? So what is that logic? Simple exponential function we have to use, right? What is that you can say, everyone? So there will be some variation, na? So what is that? So number of cycles, right? Let us say that a number of cycles will be equal to that constant A into that e power which one if you just observe, e power which one if you just observe, e power which one, some constant b into which one you can say, into that load na bl you can say, right? A comma br which one, this is constants, or x you wanted to write, a comma br constants, right? X is which one, this load units, x is your load units, and what is that you can say, it is a decreasing means minus will come, or exponential decrement means minus will come or plus will come, all of you. Exponential decrement means that a minus will come, na? Yes or no? Minus will come, right? X is the load units, and what is that, n you can say, n is your number of cycles, na? N is your number of cycles, right? Simply you just apply this, right? What is the first one given if you just observe, 80 units load and 100 cycles, na? So 100 cycles is equal to a into e power which one, right? A into e power you can say which one, a into e power minus what is that, load is how much given, 80 units of load, na? 80 units of load into this b, right? And what is that you can say, we have that load is half, na? Minus, yeah, minus 80 units of b. Why minus? Because it is exponential decrement, na? So it takes 100 cycles for the failure. When the load is halved, load is halved means 80 units load will become which one, this 40 units, na? It will take 10,000 cycles, right? So that is which one, this 10,000 cycles will be equal to same constant, a into e power minus what is that, 40 times this b if you just observe, right? Isn't it? So whenever you are solving these equation numbers 1 and 2, so tell me, it is difficult or it is just having a good logic, right? It is just having a thinking capability. You just have to apply some logic, na? That's it, right? Nothing else will be there, right? Nothing else will be there in this problem we just have, right? Isn't it, everyone? So whenever you are solving it, right, what is that you will be getting if you just observe? Whenever you are solving it, right, what is that, solving this equation numbers 1 and 2? How can you solve this equation numbers 1 and 2 if you just observe? How can you solve this equation numbers 1 and 2? So can we say this is your equation number 2 by this 1, can we take it? Equation number 2 by 1 means, right? So what is that you can say, that is your 10,000 divided by which one, this 100 is equal to what is that, a into e power minus 40 times b divided by which one, this a into e power minus 80 times this b, right? So this a will get cancelled, a will get cancelled, and this 10,000 and these two zeros will cancel, and what is that you are getting if you just observe, 100 is equal to what is that, 100 is equal to which one, everyone? 100 equal to which one, everyone, all of you? What is that 100 equal to? E power which one, everyone? 100 equal to e power which one, minus 40b, right? Minus 40b means, right, minus 40b means, right, what is that you can say, it is e power 80b we are having. So this denominator I am taking numerator, and numerator I am taking denominator, right? That minus I am eliminating, right? Divided by this e power which one, this 40b now. So what is that you can say now, you can just write it as which one, 10,000, it is not 1000, it is 10,000, right? 10,000 Deepak, right? Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, right? It is 10,000, na? It is 10,000 or not? It is 10,000, right? So what is that you can say, e power which one, this 80b minus this 40b comes to be like this, na? So that is equal to that e power 40b, right? So what is it finally you can say, that is your 100 will be equal to, 100 will be equal to which one, this e power 40b, na? E power 40b or not? So whenever you are applying this anti-log for this, right, log 100 to the base e will be equal to, what is that you can say, log 40b, sorry, log e power 40b to the base e, right? What does it mean? You can say this implies, what is that you can say, that is your log e, sorry, log 100 to the base e will be equal to that 40b you can say, right? This implies, right, what is the b we are getting, everyone? that b will be equal to that log 100 to the base a divided by this 40, right? Is it not that b value, everyone? Is it not that b value, all of you? Is it not that b value, all of you? Yes, it is your b value, na? Yes, it is your b value. You can say if you just observe, right? Isn't it? Yes, it is equal to the b value if you just observe, right? Yes, na? Now we are supposed to get which one if you just observe b value we have got, if you just observe b value we have got, right? Let us say this is equation number 3. And how can you get this a value if you just observe? You have to get this a value, na? How can you get this a value if you just say? So from this equation number 2 if you just consider, equation number 2 and 3 if you combine, right? What is that? That 10,000 will be equal to a into which one? This e power minus 40 into, right? What is the b you can write? B you can write it as log 100 to the base a divided by this 40, right? This 40 cancels now. So what is it you are having, everyone? This 40 cancels or not? So then what is that a value you are getting if you just observe? What is the a value you are getting if you just observe, all of you? What is the a value you will be getting, everyone? How much is that a value you will be getting, all of you? So this is e power which one? This log 100 to the base, e power log 100 to the base if you just observe, right? Or how can you write this? Otherwise you can say it as which one? In this, instead of this, right, we can write in some other manner, right? How can you write? First we apply this log to that. First you apply this log to the, right? What is that when you are applying this log, right? So how can you get this? First of all, tell me, is there any possibility of getting this here or no possibility of getting this here? So this is what you are having now. What is that equation you are having? N equal to that a into that e power bx we are considering, right? E power minus bx we are considering, right? That is your 5000 cycles we have to calculate now. Load x for this 5000 cycles we have to calculate now. Yes. How can you calculate this if you just observe? How can you calculate this if you just observe, right? Here you need not calculate that, right? Apply that which one? So for this 5000, right? N equal to 5000 you take it. N equal to 5000 you take it now. You just take n equal to 5000. That 5000 cycles will be equal to, what is that you can say? A into e power minus b into that x, right? That x value we have to get it, right? Let us say this is equation number 4, right? So how can you do this? 4 divided by this 2 or 2 divided by this 2. 2 divided by this 4, right? 2 is what? What is the 2? 2 is this one, 10,000. 4 is which one? This 5,000 is there, na? So equation number 2 divided by this equation number 4, right? What it will become? 10,000 divided by, what is it you can say? 10,000 divided by which one? This is 5,000 left side equal to, what is that right side you are having? A into e power which one? This is minus 40b divided by what it will become if you just observe? What is it will become? A into e power which one? This is minus bx you are having, right? This a will get cancelled, a will get cancelled, right? What is that you are getting if you just observe? You can say, everyone, that is 2 na. This left side 10,000 by this 5,000 is 2 only na. That 2 will be equal to, what is that you can say, everyone? So this minus bx will go to the numerator and this will come to the denominator na. So what is that you can write? E power bx minus this 40b. Can we write it like this? Can you write it? 2 equal to e power bx minus this 40b, right? Do you have any problem in writing like this, all of you? Everyone, do you have any problem in writing like this, all of you? Hello, everyone. Mic testing 1 2 3 4. Are you there? Tayanna, Deepak. Minus 40b or plus 40b? Minus 40b na. Minus 40b will come, right? Why that minus 40b will come? Minus 40, right? Because this minus 40 as it is there na. So this e power we are taking to the numerator, right? We are e power we are taking to the numerator. So this minus bx will become this plus bx. That's it, right? That minus 40b as it is, it will be there na. Now, so 2 will be equal to, what is that you can say? E power b if you take a common na, right? B if you take a common, right? What is that you can say? X minus 40 it will become na. X minus 40 it will become, right? So whenever you are applying this log, what is that you can say? That log 2 to the base e will be equal to, what is that you can say? Log of this b into that x minus 40. So that is e power this one, e power, right? What is that you can say? This implies that is your log 2 to the base e will be equal to, so what is that, you can say b into that x minus 40, right? B into that x minus 40, right? So what is that, you are having this b value log 2 to the base e will be equal to, right? What is the b value? Already we know b value is log 100 to the base e divided by 40 now. Log 100 to the base e divided by this 40 into that x minus 40, right? So can't you get this x value from here? Yes, you can get this x value from here, right? Calculate this x value, everyone, all of you. Calculate this x value, everyone, all of you. How much is that x value you will be getting? Somebody check this x value and tell me. Tell me this x value, all of you. You will be getting it as 46.02, right? What is the x value you will be getting? 46.02 you will be getting, right? Now log to the base e, right? Log to the base e means ln, okay? Ln is nothing but your which one? This log to the base e, right? Both are same, right? Log to the base e or ln both are same, right? Yes, na? Both are same, right? Natural logarithm and log to the base e both are same, okay? Tayana, is that clear? Natural logarithm means by default log to the base e only, right? Tayana, if you just have, right? Okay, 46.02 you will be getting. That is your option B is the correct answer. You can see if you just have, right? Is that clear? Now, just to go for this 10th question, we'll just solve this question and we'll close the session after this, all of you. Okay, so I'll be starting the timer, all of you. I'll be starting the timer for this, all of you. Just to solve this, everyone. This is your GATE 2017 computer science question. Are you getting 40 exactly? No, no, no. You'll not be getting 40 exactly. You just do it. Okay, I'll just check it meanwhile. No, you are 46.02 only you are getting, right? 46.02 only you will be getting, right? You just check this calculator, right? 46.02 only you will be getting from this, right? I have just checked it, right? 46.02 only from Calci. Exactly 46.02 is the answer. I have just checked it. Okay, you solve this question. Don't worry about it. Solve this. Question number 10, 18th. Okay, 18 is the answer. Just check it, don't worry. What is the correct or not, we'll check it, don't worry. So daily we are doing 5 questions only. Actually we have to increase the number of questions per day to 1000. Number of questions per day to 10. Per day 10 questions if you are solving now, you can complete it, right? Otherwise it will take which one? This total 500 questions are there. It will take 100 days to complete otherwise, right? It will take more time now. Find the smallest number y such that y into 162 is a perfect cube, right? Y into 162 is a perfect cube if you just observe, right? So what is that y into that is a perfect cube if you just observe? How can you get this? Y into that 162 is equal to which one? How can you make it, everyone? That y into 2 into what is that, you can say 3 power 4 you can write it now, son. 3 power 4 you can write it if you just observe, right? Isn't it 3 power 4 if you write it, right? So to make it a perfect cube multiple, to make it a perfect cube, what we need to do if you just observe? Cube. To make it a perfect cube, yeah, okay, Tayana, yes. To make it a perfect cube, right, what we need to do? You multiply it with which one? Multiply it with what? So 2 power 1 is there, so we have to multiply it with is 2 power 2 na. 3 power 4 is there, so you have to multiply it with which one? This is 3 power 2 na. So then only 3 power 6 is a perfect cube, and 2 power 3 is also perfect cube, right? What is that? You can say it will be 36, right? When you multiply with this 36, what will happen? It will become a perfect cube na. Yes, it will become a perfect cube, all of you, if you just observe, right? Is it clear, everyone? Right? Is it clear, all of you? Like that you are having, right? So shall I close the session, all of you? Yes, I'll be closing the session. So thank you, all of you. Have a good day, right? So tomorrow we'll be meeting with some other questions, you can say, right? So tomorrow we'll be meeting with some other questions. Okay, right? Thank you, all of you. Have a good day. Shall I close the session? Yes, I'll be closing the session. Day after tomorrow, again Monday we'll be meeting with